How to post an Instagram story from PC or desktop. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and on this tutorial video I'm here to guide you the easy way to post an Instagram story from PC or desktop. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a web browser on your device. Type in instagram.com with the search bar and log into your particular account on Instagram. Now, click on any empty area, simply right click and click on Inspect from this menu bar. The element section will be expanded and now you have to switch to mobile view. For that, at the top of the Inspect window, click the device toolbar icon which looks like a phone or a tablet. Now from this dimensions at top left corner, you need to simply click and choose your respective mobile device. Once done, you will see the mobile view of your Instagram on the section. Simply to add your story or post an Instagram story, you have to click your story at top left corner of the screen. But before you want to add to your story, you need to first refresh this page, then you will get add button under your story section at top left. Simply you have to click on it and choose any picture or video that you want to add on your story and click on open button. Once done, make sure to allow the location for the Instagram. Now you can easily edit this picture. You can easily write the text, add the different kinds of stickers, and if you wish to save this, you can click on this download icon. Once done, click on add to your story at bottom of the screen and waiting for a few seconds, it will get uploaded on your story. If you wish to view your story, click on your story at top left corner of the screen and then you will successfully see that we have posted an story on Instagram. Now if you wish to exit from this view, you can simply go ahead and then click again and close this tab. Once done, you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.